The U.S. Supreme Court will hear arguments on gender-affirming care for minors, which is banned in Tennessee and 25 other states. Tennessee law bans puberty blockers and sex change surgeries for children who identify as transgender. Tennessee passed the ban after the Daily Wire's investigative reporting showed Vanderbilt University Medical Center in Nashville was providing hormone therapy drugs to kids as young as 13 years old and performing double mastectomies on teenage girls. Dr. Shane Taylor at Vanderbilt's Clinic for Transgender Health admitted on camera the hormone therapies and surgeries for trans people are a money-making operation.
Some of our VUMC financial folks in October of 2016, started a couple of years ago, put down some costs of how much money we think each patient would bring in. And this is only including top surgery. This isn't including any bottom surgery. And it's a lot of money. These surgeries make a lot of money. So female to male chest reconstruction can bring in $40,000. A patient just on routine hormone treatment, who I'm only seeing a few times a year, can bring in several $1,000s. So that requires a lot of visits and labs. It actually makes money for the hospital.
The plaintiffs in the case, 3 trans teens, along with their parents and the outgoing Biden administration, argue the ban violates the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment under the Constitution. Critics of the ban say the government shouldn't decide if a child receives medication or other treatments to help a child who identifies as the opposite sex they were assigned at birth. On the other side, proponents of the ban say puberty blockers and sex change surgeries are castration and mutilation of a child and argue it's the government's responsibility to protect children from such abuses. Tennessee's Attorney General Thomas Skrmetti will argue that gender transition procedures are life-altering, risky, and unproven, emphasizing it's the state's duty to protect children. In a court filing, Skrmetti states several European countries that pioneered gender transitioning in minors have since reversed course, including Sweden, Finland, Norway, and the United Kingdom. The justices are set to hear arguments Wednesday, and a decision in the case is not expected to come down until the spring of 2025. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Lauren Taylor. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit SAN.com.